To create an analytics rule, click on Video, then click the settings wheel in the top right corner. Click Recording Rules, then click Add in the top right corner. Select Video Analytics. Choose the camera we'd like to set the rule for, then choose either a ground zone or a tripwire zone. We will start with a ground zone. Choose the scenery the camera is looking at. From here, we can give the rule a name. And for ground zones, we can change where the ground zone covers, as well as change the individual points of the ground zone by dragging the corners or the little boxes. We can also clear the ground zone and create one of our own by tapping on the screen in the shape that we'd like to create the ground zone. Set the duration inside the area of interest, which determines how long something has to be within the ground zone or the green area to trigger a clip. For tripwire zones, select the scenery, give the rule a name, then drag where you'd like the tripwire to be. To create your own tripwire, click Clear Tripwire and tap the screen to make your own. To change the directions things have to pass to trigger the tripwire, click Switch Direction. We can also click both directions to have both directions work. The next part is the same for both ground zone and tripwire rules. All we're doing here is setting the parameters for which the rule operates, choosing the delay between clips, choosing when the rule will run, We can also set a perimeter guard if it's supported by the camera, which is an external deterrence feature supported by most Alarm.com cameras. Again, we can set the parameters for how this works. Select the recipients you'd like to send the video clip notifications to. And we also have the ability to automate lights if supported. Once we've set the parameters, we can then press Save. If we go back to recording rules, we can see that the rule has been created and saved. And there it is. To pause the rule, click the Pause Options button. To turn the rule back on, if we turn it off, click Resume Options and click Turn Rule On. To edit the rule, click the pencil icon next to the name. It'll reopen the Video Analytics rule page that we just went through, where we can change the parameters at our own will. Make sure to press Save once finished. To delete a rule, click on the trash can next to the rule's name, then click Delete.